potential for biochar production equipment is experiencing a golden period of development as global carbon neutrality goals accelerate. The market is mainly driven by four core factors: expansion of the global carbon credit trading market. The growth of the global carbon credit trading market has created demand benefits for biochar equipment. Currently, biochar accounts for over 90% of the carbon credit trading market, and its high-efficiency carbon sequestration properties have led to a surge in carbon removal projects, directly driving investment demand. Diversification of application scenarios. Under the promotion of circular economy policies, biochar has formed a multi-field application matrix in areas such as agricultural soil improvement, building insulation materials, and forestry carbon sequestration. Its environmental attributes and alignment with sustainable development strategies have stimulated procurement demand. Industrial upgrades driving equipment iteration. Traditional production methods can no longer meet modern market demands for product homogenization and heavy metal control. Continuous and large-scale production equipment has become the mainstream trend, as equipment upgrades can simultaneously enhance capacity and product qualification rates. Dual policy regulation creating market impetus. Many countries worldwide are strengthening environmental regulations by banning open burning and landfilling of biomass, while also introducing subsidies for equipment purchases, carbon tax exemptions, and other incentive policies, creating a constraint plus incentive policy combination to stimulate the market.